Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery level on this watch in quite few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen on your watch by pressing Crown button, you should see the current watch face, and on it there might be battery level, like on this one. But not all of the watch faces display the battery level by default. But we can basically change the watch face. So if you want to change the watch face, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Then you can scroll through the list, find something that displays the battery level, and then you can tap on it to apply it, and we have the battery level right here at the top. But you can also edit the watch faces to display that information. So let's say you like this, not this one displays it, something that doesn't display it by default. So let's say you like this watch face, but you want to display the battery level on it. You can tap on the edit icon, edit the colors and stuff like that. Then you can swipe left and edit the complications, and one of the complications can be the battery level. So you can tap on one of the complications, scroll through the list, look for the battery, and then tap on it. And once you once you're done with the changes and you want to apply them, press the Crown button and the changes will be applied, and here we have the battery level of our watch. Another way to check the battery level on your watch is to open the quick panel. So if you're on the current watch face, the home screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and you will see the battery percentage on one of the icons. Usually this is the one that it's at the bottom. Another way to check the battery level is to swipe right on the home screen to open the battery menu, and here we have our battery level. And you can also open the menu by pressing the Crown button, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings you can find the battery option, tap on it, and it will display the battery level, and also you have the daily or estimation in days how long it should last basically. Okay, and once you're done you can press the Crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.